I thought while I make brunch for my family today, I would answer some Q&A questions. I am having some sinus problems today, so you just might hear that in my voice or in my breathing. But other than that, let's get started. The first question is asked by Pretty Butterfly. She asks, I would like to know, have you ever made a meal from all Dollar Tree items, and if so, what? Yes, I have. I actually have a video on it. I will link it at the end screen. I made their boxed Loretta pasta salad with the Hungry Jack au gratin and their frozen ribeye steak. The next question is by Jet's Life. She asks, what is your favorite place to shop that you use coupons at? Well, as far as groceries, my favorite places are Stop and Shop and Target. If I had to pick only one, it would be Stop and Shop. And as far as I guess you would say play stores, that would be Kohl's and Hobby Lobby. If I had to pick, then I would go with Kohl's, only because they give you a little bit of everything. They do have the home decor, they have clothing, they have accessories, they have housewares, where, Hobby Lobby would just be strictly home decor, but you gotta love Hobby Lobby. This question is asked by Sylvia51NC. She asks, how do you save money shopping if you don't have a coupon? Shopping sales and using apps. Crafty SOL's question is, how is your pantry organized? It's not, which is the complete opposite of how I do things. I started on this purging where I wanted to downsize the amount of items I keep in my pantry and use less items and really try to stick to just staple items. I did have a freezer purge before that, and then the pantry purge was next, but that totally stalled because before you know it, the warmer weather was upon us and we were outdoors more, we were making lighter meals, we weren't making such heavy sides, we were eating more fruits and more salads. So definitely throughout the summer, it stayed the same way it started, which is so disappointing. But now that the weather has changed and we are going to spend more time indoors, I'm hoping to get back on that. The good part is I haven't bought anything else to add to it, but the bad part is because there are so many seasonal items out right now, I am buying them because they're only once a year, and everybody knows how much I enjoy my pumpkin stuff, so of course I'm gonna buy it. So I'm filling up the pantry with even more stuff because of the seasonal pumpkin stuff, but I'm not filling it in with staple items or extra items that I know I can live without. Or at least that's what I'm telling myself and sticking to it. I do have a video on the beginning of that pantry purge. I will also link that in the end screen if you want to go check that out. Bargain Beauty asks, what are your favorite cleaning products for floors? This is going way back, but my faves are still Murphy's Oil for wood floors and a good old-fashioned Less Oil for tile floors. They are definitely my OGs. T Sparkles Bright asks, what part of the house do you start cleaning first? Definitely my kitchen. My counters have to be clean and my dishes have to be washed. If both are not done, it makes the rest of the house too overwhelming to tackle. I find that if I start with there first and I head on to the other parts of the house with a clean kitchen, I can definitely tackle and accomplish. So definitely my kitchen first. Indian YouTuber Ankita asks, how do you organize your closet on a budget? I buy my bins from the Target Dollar Spot. I buy them from the Dollar Tree. If I'm using plastic hangers, I buy them from Target and Walmart. If I'm buying the no slip ones, I get them at places like TJ Maxx because it is very affordable and you usually get a really good size package. I also use laundry baskets. You can really achieve a well put together look with coordinating colors and textures. You'd be surprised what you can create without spending a whole lot of money. So that was the last question for this brunch along. They were great questions. Go eat something good, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.